We can discussing about the electric potential due to a charged spherical shell. Charged spherical shell, nothing but is the conducting. See, already this all topics we can discussing about in a electric charges and fields. Due to we can find out electric field, but here we can find out the electric potential. What we can find out the electric potential. Now the first, see, this is considered the what is considered charged spherical shell. Because of it is a conducting, that's why we can write in a charged spherical shell. Now its radius we consider the capital R and center is O. Now due to this charged spherical, now is around what is producing by the area the Gaussian surface. So this is have the Gaussian surface. Now we can consider the here is the P point. Now due to this charged spherical shell, we can find out the electric field at a point P. Electric point P is a small area of, we consider ds, and electric field is acting also same direction. And now is the distance from the center to P point. How much is considered by the small r? Small r is the distance. Now here the three condition. When the electric field at the outside of the shell and surface of the shell and inside of the shell. Now first condition at a distance small r from small r, so bracket we can write the outside the shell. See, at outside the shell, what is the electric field? The formula we can write the electric field E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Now using of this formula, we can find out the electric potential at outside the shell. Electric potential at the outside of the shell. Electric potential we can find out. Again, we know that relation between the electric field and potential E is equal to minus dV by dr. Then the cross multiplication, the dV is equal to minus E into dr. Integration on both sides. Integration dV is equal to integration minus E into dr. Now here the substitute the E value. E is equal to how much is there here? The 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Integration of dV is equal to be integration minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square into dr. Then the constant values write the before of its integration. See the constant values you can write minus Q by 4 pi epsilon, take the constant. So 1 by R square into dr is the constant value. Then we can apply here the integration formula. What is the formula for the integration? Integration of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. But here the denominator values take the numerator minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught integration r to the power of minus 2 into dr. Then we can apply here. See minus 2, what we can apply here? The x to the power of n dx, the minus 2 replaced by the n, that we can say here the minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught r to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, how much is there? Minus 1. The minus is gets cancelled. Here r to the power of minus 1, that is take the denominator. Then we can write this electric potential at outside the shell. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. What is here? The Q by R. Because of minus 2 plus 1 is equal to how much is the minus 1? That is take the denominator. Then is converted to plus, that is a Q by R. This is the formula for the electric potential due to a charged spherical shell at outside the shell. See the second condition on the surface of shell, on the surface of the shell. On the surface of the shell is nothing but here the small r is equal to capital R. Small r is equal to capital R. This is the shell. Now here the capital R is the radius of the shell, and the point is also taken on the surface. The point is also taken on the surface of the shell. The what is the condition is here the small r is equal to capital. Then electric potential. Electric potential the V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital R. Because of before what is there here the V is equal to 1 by 4 pi Q by small r. Here, so what is the condition is taken by the small r is equal to capital R. That's why we take the V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. So next third one, electric potential inside the shell. Inside the shell. See inside the shell. See what is the where the electric field is zero inside the shell. Inside the shell. See what is the electric field is zero because there is no charge is there inside of the shell. That's why the electric field also zero of inside the shell. We know that. What is that? We know that electric field E is equal to minus dV by dr. E is equal to minus dV by dr. E is equal to what is there here the 0. Then we can write the 0 is equal to minus dV by dr. Then the cross multiplication d into r is equal to 0 minus dV is equal to also 0. Then we can write also V2 minus, this is the potential difference, V2 minus V1 is equal to also 0. Then V1 is equal to V2. That is equal to also say here the V is equal to what is taken by is a constant. V is equal to what is taken by here the constant. Because of here the both electric potential will be same the inside of the shell. We can draw the graph between the potential and the distance. What is here we can draw the graph between the potential and distance. The potential is taken along the y-axis, and the distance r is taken along the x-axis. Then we can draw the graph. Here the graph we can draw. Here the what is the potential difference is directly inversely proportional to the r. When V is equal, see the first it will be maintain the constant. It will maintain the constant. Now after that we can observing here the small r is equal to capital R. After that it will be decreases. That means the V is inversely proportional to the R. The potential will be increasing, the distance can be decreasing, or the distance can be increasing, the potential can be decreasing. See this is the indicating by the graph. Here to here point the potential is in. Here to here the constant, here will be the maximum where the small r is equal to capital R. See the next we are discussing about the topic electric potential due to a uniformly charged sphere. See what is the non-conducting. Before we discussing about a conducting sphere, this is a non-conducting. In conducting sphere, again the same the three cases, the outside the sphere and surface of the sphere and inside the sphere. See here the first one, outside the sphere. See this is the same expression for the conducting of the sphere. That is the potential for the formula V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. And also surface of the sphere. The surface of the sphere also will be same. The V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by capital R. See this is the two expressions already we discussing about in a conducting of the sphere, and here is also non-conducting. Both of them are the same, but what will be different? The third case will be different. That is the inside of the sphere. Inside of the sphere. Now it is inside the electric potential. What is the formula? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q into R by R cube. Now then we can write the electric potential V is equal to minus E into dr. We can write here then E is equal to what is there here, the integration 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into R by R cube into dr. Then we are the calculation, we are the integration, and we are the get this is the equation for the electric potential. The V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R into 3 by 2 minus R cube by 2R square. 2R square. See, this is the electric potential due to a uniformly charged sphere. That is the non-conducting sphere of a inside. See, what is the formula? V is equal to 1 by 4 pi Q by R into 3 by 2 minus R cube by 2R square.